Are you looking to enhance your skills and boost your resume? Look no further than Google's free certification courses. With a wide range of courses available, you can choose the one that aligns with your interests and career goals. From digital marketing to data analysis, Google offers certifications in various fields to help you stay ahead in a competitive job market. Learn at your own pace, with the flexibility to study whenever and wherever suits you best. The courses are designed by industry experts, ensuring you receive quality and up-to-date education. Upon completing a course, you will receive a Google certificate, which can add significant value to your professional profile. These certifications can also increase your chances of landing job interviews and securing employment opportunities. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, there is a course suitable for your level of expertise. Google certificates are recognized and respected globally, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. By obtaining these certifications, you demonstrate your dedication to continuous learning and professional development.